Welcome to Mongolia, the land of endless steppes, rich traditions, and one of the most exciting festivals in the world, the Naadam Festival. But today, we're diving into a special part of this celebration, the Naadam meat dumplings, a dish that's as symbolic as the festival itself. The Naadam Festival, known as Aaron Gurvan Naadam, or Three Manly Games, is Mongolia's most celebrated event. It's a showcase of wrestling, horse racing, and archery, but food plays a huge role too. And nothing says Naadam like the delicious, hearty meat dumplings. These dumplings, often called Buuz or khuushuur, are staples of the Naadam Festival. They're filled with seasoned meat, usually mutton or beef, and are either steamed or deep-fried to perfection. Did you know that these dumplings have roots in Mongolia's warrior culture? But they're much more than a snack. They carry a wealth of history and cultural significance. During Genghis Khan's time, soldiers needed portable, high-energy food that was easy to prepare. Meat-filled dumplings became the perfect solution. They were not just food but fuel for conquests. The shape of the dumpling isn't random either. Some believe the crescent shape represents the nomadic lifestyle, while others say it symbolizes the moon, an important celestial figure in Mongolian traditions. While Buuz is steamed and common year-round, khuushuur, its fried cousin, takes center stage during Naadam. This fried version is perfect for on-the-go festival goers, providing a crispy, savory treat while enjoying the festivities. Here's something surprising. Naadam dumplings are often made with mutton, which is not only rich in flavor but also high in essential nutrients like iron, zinc, and vitamin B12. It's a delicious way to refuel during the festival. Wrapping dumplings is considered an art form in Mongolia. The folds are often intricate and serve as a mark of skill. During Naadam, families take pride in showcasing their best dumpling-making techniques. Some believe the way a dumpling bursts open while cooking can predict good or bad luck. At Naadam, dumplings are more than just food. They're a part of spiritual traditions. Mongolian dumplings share similarities with Chinese dumplings like jiaozi and baozi. This connection reflects the cultural exchange along the Silk Road, where trade influenced food traditions on both sides. Let's make a simple version of Naadam dumplings. We'll use minced mutton, onions, salt, and a bit of black pepper for the filling. For the dough, it's just flour, water, and a pinch of salt. Roll, fill, fold, and then either steam or fry them. In Mongolia, dumpling making is often a community activity. Families and friends gather to prepare large batches, turning it into a festive and bonding experience. At Naadam, this sense of togetherness is everywhere. Some families have secret ingredients for their dumplings, like adding a dash of camel milk or wild herbs to enhance the flavor. These little secrets are passed down through generations. It's a fun way to celebrate this beloved dish, with participants racing to eat as many dumplings as possible. Ever wondered where the name Naadam comes from? It means festival in Mongolian, derived from Naad, which means game or competition. The Naadam Festival was historically a way for nomadic Mongols to showcase their skills, wrestling, archery, and horse racing, and these meat dumplings, like the games, have deep cultural significance. Genghis Khan, the great Mongolian warrior, played a significant role in shaping the food traditions of Mongolia. During his reign, meat became a primary source of sustenance for the nomadic tribes. Dumplings, filled with protein-rich meat, became an essential part of their diet during long journeys and conquests. Arroz de pato, like many Mongolian dishes, reflects the nomadic lifestyle. In the past, Mongols were constantly on the move, so dumplings were the perfect portable meal. Easy to carry, easy to eat, and full of nutrients. Traditionally, the meat used for dumplings is often sourced from animals that provide the most nourishment, like mutton or beef. In some regions, yak meat is used, as yaks are well suited to Mongolia's harsh climate and high-altitude conditions. Did you know that Buddhism influenced the cooking traditions of Mongolia? With the spread of Buddhism, many meat-based dishes like dumplings were created as a way to consume more protein during fasting periods. The Naadam dumplings symbolize the balance between meat consumption and religious observance. While Buuz and khuushuur are the most common types of Naadam dumplings, each region in Mongolia has its own variation. For instance, in some parts of Western Mongolia, they use wild game like deer or marmot meat for their dumplings, giving them a unique twist. I hope you've enjoyed learning about the delicious Naadam meat dumplings and the rich history behind them. If you ever get a chance to visit Mongolia during Naadam, don't forget to try these flavorful dumplings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more adventures from around the world.